Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will check, clean and show you about the following vehicle here. So now let's check this one first. Truck. Truck, the sàn đón dĩ cả Mobil Truk. Okay, the next one. Super motorbike, yellow color. ប្រភេទម៉ូតូធំអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាបាទ yellow color. Okay, the next one. Iron Man, Hero Iron Man, red color. Check the next one, everybody. Green excavator, mini excavator, my favorite excavator. Okay, another one. Red police car, mini police car. Now check another one. Tank truck. Tank truck. Đồn dĩ cả Mobil Tanki. Okay, now check the next one. Another nice vehicle. Mini die-cast car with green color. Okay, the next one. Bulldozer. Everybody, please, let's move to another one, another bigger truck. Mobil Truk. Mobil Truk rồi còn mini truck. Okay, the next one. Red racing car. Number 3. How about this hero? Captain America. The next one. Red car. This is my favorite car. Nice color. Okay, let's move to another one. Mobil Tanki. We got tank truck. Another cute tank truck. Everyone, let's move to the next one. Green super motorbike. Okay, last one. Green car. Everybody, if you love this video, please let me know by comment, like and especially click the subscribe button. So now, thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye. Good luck.